Just a quick note to let you know a new toy that I've picked up. This is an electric mason jar lid sealer, and I'm really looking forward to it. It's a very compact unit, runs off batteries, and the very interesting thing about this is if you are a hot pepper grower and you love to dry your peppers and save those, you could use this to put lids on mason jars. It will vacuum seal the lid and pulls out all the air that is around your dried peppers and seals it so well that 2, 3, 4 years down the road, if you pop that lid off and get into the jar, those peppers are still dried out, ready to go into a shaker and season your food. So this is what the unit looks like. And the power from the inside of it is charged up using a charge cord. This goes from a USB port to a Type-C USB, very similar to what I use on my phone. And that allows me to charge up the unit. It does not come with an extended power block, but there's so many power blocks that are available on the market or computers. It permits you to plug that in and charge it up. Now, the box does come with both wide mouth and standard lids, as well as a keychain lid remover. And the premise behind this is that you will take one of the lids, put that on top of your jar, make sure that the jar rim is nice and clean, and then you take this system and you press down firmly and start the unit. It will vacuum pull all the air out of the jar. Now that takes about 40 seconds, and then it basically affixes the lid to the jar because of the vacuum pulling down on the lid. Now this is set up for a wide mouth jar, but if I were to turn that and pull it apart, that's how you get the unit adapted to use with the smaller lids that go on the standard jars. It's just that simple.